Hello, welcome to Coach Dan series. And today I'll be talking to you about birds of the same feather flocks together. People with similar interests or characteristics often group together. This is an ancient Greek saying that was recorded in English by William Turner in 1545, and it was popularized in the 16th and 17th century. People are drawn to those who share their values, beliefs, and interests because they feel a sense of comfort and understanding. On average, you get 35% richer just by interacting with wealthy people. Also, you are likely to go poorer the more you interconnect with broke people. This year, surround yourself with those who inspire growth, wealth, and success in you because they are contagious. Join communities to better your dream this year. Philosophers like Plato and Aristotle spoke a lot about this concept to balance your life. On average, the 5 people you spend most time with, which is translated as your traits, are influenced by your closest association. Change your situation this year by joining communities that will better your lot, and you'll be glad. Thank you.